Turn off the car. Give him the keys and step out, please. You realize that when you get police lights, you're supposed to pull over.
Yes.
Please step out of the car. Please step out of the car.
Thank you.
Why?
Because the car's in your possession.
Come here. Step back to the back of my car, please. Over here, over here, over here. Stand right in front of my car. What's your name?
Laura.
Where are you coming from?
Compton Plains.
Pompton Plains? You're in Pompton Plains. Where were you before Quick Check?
Pompton Lakes.
Pompton Lakes? What were you doing there?
I was just going home.
From where?
Pompton Lakes.
What were you doing in Pompton Lakes?
I was just going home.
You were going home? Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No.
Any alcohol? None?
No.
None at all?
No.
You take any drugs?
No.
No? Nothing illegal? Nothing like that?
No.
Okay. You're not coming from a bar or anything like that?
No.
Anything in the car?
Nothing, thank you.
You sure you don't have anything to drink tonight? I'm gonna run you through some tests, okay? What was your name again?
Laura.
Laura?
What's in your mouth?
Nothing.
Stick your tongue in.
What's your highest level of education?
Bachelor's.
Bachelor's? So you don't have any issues with the English alphabet or counting numbers? Nothing like that? No problem? Starting with the letter B and stopping at the letter K. Recite the alphabet, okay?
C-E-D-E-F-G-H-K.
Okay. Starting on the number 52 and counting backwards, stopping on the number 36. Got
51.
Yep, go ahead.
50. 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 64, 63, 62, 60, 69, 60.
Okay, you can stop.
59.
You can stop. You can stop.
Despite confidently claiming she hasn't had a single drop of alcohol tonight, this driver immediately struggles with basic cognitive tests, reciting past the letter K, and completely losing track while counting backward from 52 are glaring red flags for this officer. When a suspect's actions completely contradict their statements so early in a traffic stop, would these signs be enough to confirm your suspicions?
You have any injuries on your hands?
No way.
Okay. I'm going to demonstrate. I want you to look at my hand.
Okay.
I'm going to show you what to do, and then I want you to do it. Don't start until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
You're going to touching each fingertip to each thumb. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one rotation. I want you to do that 3 times. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Keep going. One more time. Yep, go ahead. Okay, you can stop. Have a seat on the front of this right here. Take your glasses off for me, please. Put them on the hood of my car. Have a seat on this, not the edge of my car. Do you have a glass eye?
No.
And you just wear glasses, you're not wearing contacts right now? Okay. Right now I'm going to check your eyes, okay? See the tip of this pen? See the tip of it? Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it back and forth. I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head straight. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Tilt your head down a little bit. Just keep it straight. Yep, just look like that, okay? Keep your head straight. Follow as best you can. Alright? Keep following. Keep following. Come on. Ready? Keep following. It's right here. Over here. I'm out here. I'm out here. All the way. Keep following.
Yep.
You're not. You're looking at me, not the pen.
I am.
You're looking at me, not the pen.
I see it.
Can you follow it with your eyes, please?
Yes, sir.
Follow the pen.
Yes, I see it. I see it. Yes, sir. I see it.
Look at it over here.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Keep following.
Yes, I see it. Yes, sir. I see it. Yes, sir. I see it. Yes. Yes, sir. I see it. Yes. Yes, sir.
Keep following.
Yes, sir. I see it.
Okay. One more time. I'm going to go up now, okay?
Yes, I see it. Yes.
Okay. Stand up for me.
Give you a little room here.
Yeah, please.
Push yourself off.
Take a step forward for me. I'm going to move my car. We're going to put your glasses. Would you like to put your glasses back on? Or would you like to put them in the car? You tell me.
Whatever you want.
You can put them back on if you'd like. Go ahead.
Here you go.
They're right here. We put them right here.
Hey,
We have them right here.
here you go.
Okay. Turn around. Face me. Face this way. You don't have any. Do you have any injuries to your legs
No way.
that would prevent you from doing a walking test?
No.
Okay. What about a balance test? No injuries? You're willing to do the test?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to put your left foot out. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll tell you to get into it. So look, watch me. Watch my feet first. Your left foot out. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe.
Okay.
Keep your arms down to your side. And don't move from that position until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Put your feet together for me. Yep, just like that. Okay? Just stay in that position as best you can while I explain the rest of the test. Okay?
Okay.
Once again, I'm going to explain, then I'm going to demonstrate. Then I'm going to ask you if you understand. Okay? For this test, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward. Once you get to the 9th step, keeping your front foot on the ground, I want you to make a small turn around that front foot using short, small steps. Once you turn around, it's going to be 9 more heel-to-toe steps.
9.
I will show you. So that was the explanation. Now I'm going to demonstrate. Okay?
Show me.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. When you get to 9, keeping that front foot on the ground, I want you to turn and take with small, short steps like this. Then I want you to take 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. I showed you 3. I want you to take 9 steps each way.
Okay.
While you're doing the test, I want you to look down at your feet.
Yes.
Keep your arms down to your side.
Yes, sir.
Count out loud like I did.
Yes, sir.
And don't stop the test until it's complete.
Yes,
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may begin. Do as best you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Turn.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, sir.
Come back over here.
19.
Come back over here. You're good.
20.
You're good. Stop. Come back over here and stand in the position. Same. Turn around.
Yes, sir.
The next test is going to be a balance test.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Once again, I'm going to explain, then I'm going to demonstrate. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So for now, put your feet together. Keep your hands down to your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Don't start the test until I tell you to start. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For this test, whichever leg you feel more comfortable with, I want you to raise it 6 inches off the ground. I want you to count out loud in a manner of 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. It's going to look something like this, okay? Whichever leg you feel more comfortable with. So look at my feet.
Yes, sir.
It's going to look like this. 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. While you're doing the test, keep your legs straight. Look down to your raised foot. Count out loud like I did. Keep your hands down to your side. If you put your foot down at any point, just pick it back up and continue the test. I understand it's cold, but I want you to do your best. I'll tell you when to begin. Are you ready? You understand the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you may begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you're, stop.
All right. I'm sorry.
Go ahead, continue. But if you're going to fall, don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, you can stop.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Turn around, you're being placed under arrest. You're driving while intoxicated. Stop.
I'm sorry, sir.
Turn around. It's okay. Turn around for me.
It's okay.
Put your hands behind your
My
back.
bad.
Here.
It's okay.
There you go. Good.
My bad.
The officer maintains complete composure as the 19-year-old faces her final exercise, the one-leg stand. After clearly missing heel-to-toe steps and butchering the turn, her severe lack of balance and coordination becomes undeniably clear to everyone watching. Seeing this level of physical impairment from someone who was just behind the wheel, how would you carefully manage the rest of this escalating traffic stop?
No.
Wallet, phone, keys.
Yeah.
Your car's going to be towed. So that's why I'm asking. Do you need anything out of it? We will get it for
Wallet
you.
and phone.
Wallet and phone? Okay. All right, come. You can come this way. I'm in this car right here. Hold on. Stand facing this way. You don't have anything on you? Nothing in your pockets here?
No way.
Whoever you guys said yes, come on over. Really, thank you.
Nada.
Stop. I need to check his pocket. Stop moving.
Nothing. Nada. Nada.
Is this a real pocket or a fake pocket? That's not a real pocket.
It's real.
Doesn't look like it's real.
It's real. It's in verdad. Es cierto. Es incierto. ¿En verdad? ¿En verdad?
Okay. All right, have a seat.
What verdad?
Go butt first. Yep. Just slide in and then prop your feet up, okay? There you go.
What verdad?
Blowing a staggering 0.23% BAC at the station, which is nearly 3 times the legal limit and a massive 23 times the strict underage limit. Laura's night ends with an impounded vehicle and several major citations. This incident serves as a harsh reality check regarding the serious dangers of impaired driving. Like the video and drop your thoughts on the officer's handling below, and subscribe for more Bodycam arrests.